Now today we are going to deal with important concept, that is electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy. Everyone please join with full energy and focus on screen now. Yes, Akshat, right. Yes, Aditya, tell me. Aditya, 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 do you want to say something? Okay, everyone, now focus. We are going to start with very important concept. I'm requesting everyone, so please focus. Very important concept. Yes, Nehil, right. Last concept was electronegativity. Please focus. Now we are going to deal with electron gain enthalpy, also called as electron affinity. Look here. I hope everyone is focusing now. This is the nucleus. This is the orbits. यहाँ पे कोई इलेक्ट्रॉन है. Look here, what I'm do. I want to enter this electron into this orbit. मुझे इस इलेक्ट्रॉन को इस ऑर्बिट में एंटर कराना है. जैसे ही मैं इस इलेक्ट्रॉन को इस ऑर्बिट में एंटर कराऊंगा, एटम विल रिलीज एनर्जी. Atom will release energy. So it is releasing energy. So this is exothermic. So delta H, enthalpy change. Delta H is enthalpy change actually would be negative. अगर मैंने एक इलेक्ट्रॉन को अंदर डाला, अगर देखो एटम को इलेक्ट्रॉन मिलेगा तो एटम बहुत खुश होगा. Atom will get very happy when you will give an electron to atom. Atoms like electron, it will become happy when you will enter an electron to the atom, and on the reward side it will give you energy. So that energy is known as electron gain enthalpy, which the atom is giving to you. That is electron gain enthalpy, the energy which is given by atom when electron is entering to the atom. That energy is known as electron gain enthalpy. Look, let me tell you, suppose this is delta H Eg1, that is electron gain enthalpy 1. So electron gain enthalpy 1 would be negative. Electron gain enthalpy 1 would be negative. अब जरा फोकस करना, एवरीवन प्लीज फोकस. देखो, अगर मैं किसी दूसरे इलेक्ट्रॉन को ले लूं अभी, if there is one more electron and I want to also enter after this electron, look here, after this, अगर मैं इसको डालने के बाद इसको एंटर करने जाऊंगा, then it will be difficult for me now because of repulsion. It would be difficult for me in this case I have to supply energy. मुझे जबरदस्ती डालना पड़ेगा. I hope you are getting. Second इलेक्ट्रॉन के लिए I have to apply forcefully. I have to do it forcefully. तो मुझे एनर्जी उसको देनी पड़ेगी. So delta H would be electron gain 2 would be positive. And let me tell you, in this chapter is full of exceptions. Every line said by me has an exception in itself. This chapter is full of exceptions, so we are not dealing with all the exceptions over here. We will deal with some exceptions. I hope this two concept is now clear. While entering first electron, energy will be given by atom. That energy is known as electron gain enthalpy. So electron gain enthalpy 1 is positive. Electron gain enthalpy 1 is negative. And electron gain enthalpy 2 is positive. Is this clear to you all? Please tell me. Itna clear hai? Or should I repeat? Look here. First case में atom gives energy. First case में atom gives energy. That's why it is exothermic. In second case, we will supply energy to atom. Atom will absorb energy. That's why it is positive. Yes, Nehil, tell me.
Yes, before entering the first electron, there might already be an electron in that shell, so repulsion will not occur.
नहीं देखो Snehil, as I told you, there may be lot of exception, right? For example, if I am talking about noble gases, okay?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, if I am talking about noble gases, so they are fully filled, right? They मतलब वो तो किसी इलेक्ट्रॉन को एंटर करने ही नहीं देंगे.
Yes.
So it will depend on atom की इलेक्ट्रॉन की मतलब जैसे अगर कोई ऑर्बिट मान लो 2p2 है, right?
Okay.
अगर 2p2 है तो उसमें तुम एक इलेक्ट्रॉन डालोगे तो एटम बहुत खुश होगा ना कि उसकी स्टेबिलिटी मिलेगी.
हाँ.
To become 2p3. Are you getting?
Yes.
So this is full of exception, and I am not talking
Okay,
about them.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Tanmay, tell me.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
So why delta H is negative in first case and positive in second case?
Because first one is exothermic, na energy is releasing from the system.
Okay.
Tanmay, are you getting?
And so if the atom is sodium,
then it will mostly for the alkali metals, electron gain enthalpy is 0 because they will not accept electron.
Yes.
As I'm repeating again and again, we are not talking about exceptions.
Okay.
Okay.
It's a general, na, sir?
Yeah, it's a general thing.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Akshat, tell me.
Sir, actually, I have a doubt. Like you said in the delta H, the electron gain 1, the energy, it's an exothermic reaction, so energy will be released from the system. So can we store this energy into some other system? Is it possible, sir?
देखो एनर्जी का कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी लगाओगे तो एनर्जी तो डिस्ट्रॉय तो होगी नहीं, राइट?
यस सर.
लेकिन इलेक्ट्रॉन को एंटर कराना भी इतना आसान नहीं है.
यस सर. ओके,
स्टोर कर सकते हैं एक्चुअली. ओके
ओके सर. ओके.
यस देवांशी, टेल मी.
सर अगर थर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन ऐड करना होगा तो भी एंथैल्पी पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी ना?
एंथैल्पी एक्चुअली रहना तो पॉजिटिव चाहिए, लेकिन डिपेंड करेगा केसेस पे भी, ठीक है। जैसे मान लो अगर किसी में एक इलेक्ट्रॉन तुमने डाला पहले और इट वाज 2p2, राइट। अब जैसे तुम दूसरा
हाँ।
इलेक्ट्रॉन डालोगे, इट विल बिकम 2p3।
यस सर।
So in that case, energy will be given out. Okay,
ओके सर।
समझ रहे हो ना? तो
Thank you,
डिपेंड
sir.
करेगा कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या है।
हाँ सर।
ओके, यस तन्मय, टेल मी। तन्मय, तन्मय, टेल मी। ओके, नो डाउट। यस, अच्छा, टेल मी।
No, sir, no doubt, sir.
यस भाविश, टेल मी।
Yes, sir. Sir, I don't have doubt in this, but I have doubt in the previous chapter, sir. First chapter.
हम लास्ट में डिस्कस कर लें उसको भाविश।
Okay, sir. No problem, sir.
ओके,
No problem.
ओके, आई होप नाउ दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन। ओके, प्लीज नोट इट डाउन। इसको नोट कर लो जरा अच्छे से, बुक में नोट कर लो इसे, प्लीज नोट इट डाउन। यस आहान, प्लीज नोट इट डाउन। Yes, Eg2 is endothermic. Eg2 is endothermic. Yes, Tanmay, both of them have exceptions. It will all depends on electronic configuration. I'm just talking about a general thing. No, Jandra, both are the different phenomena. Both are the different phenomena. Jandra. Anvi, actually that depends on electronic configuration. मान लो अगर किसी का Anvi, please listen. अगर किसी का electronic configuration was first 2p1 and you are entering one electron 2p2. Okay, now after entering second electron, that is 2p3, for that it will become positive, right? So it want that electron atom. I hope you are getting on me. It will depend on electronic configuration. There are many exceptions. Delta H is the change in enthalpy change. I hope you all have noted down. Please note down every point. Don't miss anything. Now we are going to discuss trends. Please focus everyone. First I am talking about moving from top to bottom in periodic table. Everyone please focus very carefully here. Okay, these are the cases which you will see moving from top to bottom, cell will increase. Now please focus. If there is one electron and I want to enter this electron in this orbit, in this orbit, and this orbit, tell me if this is the case. If this is the case 1, this is case 2, this is case 3, किस केस में इलेक्ट्रॉन डालना ज्यादा आसान होगा? प्लीज टेल मी. In which case it will be easier to enter electron? Some are saying first, some are saying third. There is lot of confusion. Okay, I hope everyone has given the answer. Now please focus. Now please focus. जरा देखो यहाँ पे ध्यान से. If I am talking about this case, first one, इस केस में इलेक्ट्रॉन जब जाएगा तो as you can see there will be more attraction between this nucleus and electron. So it is easier to enter electron in the first case. And here it is difficult because there will be less attraction between this electron and nucleus. So nucleus cannot attract that electron more efficiently. I hope you are getting. So first case में इलेक्ट्रॉन का जाना बहुत आसान है as compared to third one में difficult है. Is this clear? इतना clear है? Please tell me. Yes, Tanmay, I am saying कि first case में इलेक्ट्रॉन का जाना आसान है as compared to third one. It is difficult to enter electron in third one because there will be not so attraction between electron and nucleus. Ahan, please raise your hand. Ahan. Yes, Ahan, tell me.
So shouldn't the first case be harder because it's closer to the nucleus?
यार यही रीजन है कि न्यूक्लियस विल अट्रैक्ट दैट इलेक्ट्रॉन मोर इजीली ना.
So there should be more energy required to remove it. So
we are not talking about removal of electron, we are talking about entering of electron. इलेक्ट्रॉन को एंटर करना है उसमें.
oh sorry sir.
Okay, is it okay, Ahan? Okay, now please focus. Everyone please focus here. So in this case, if I am talking about first case, if I am talking about first case, here more energy will be released, and in last case less energy will be released. So tell me, top to bottom ionization, sorry, electron gain enthalpy decreases. Upward sign means decreases. Top to bottom it decreases. Is this clear to everyone? Please tell me. Is this clear? Okay, very good. Yes, Atharva. Easy, right? Snehil Kumar, please raise your hand. Snehil. Snehil, please raise your hand. Snehil, I am saying correctly, it will decreases from top to bottom. Snehil. From top to bottom, electron gain enthalpy decreases. Now, please focus here. Next, if I am talking about second one, left to right. Left to right, then it will increase. I hope this reason is clear to everyone. Very simple reason. You can reverse this concept over there. Just reverse this concept over there. You will get your answer. Left to right increases. Yes, Virog, we will discuss about some exceptions. Please wait. Okay, I hope this is clear now. Please note it down, everyone. Please note it down. Atharva, that will depend on electronic configuration. Atharva. स्वयं P ब्लॉक तो राइट साइड पे ही होते हैं ना. स्वयं मिश्रा, P block are always on right side, I hope. Then what you are saying, Swayam? Yes, Nishant, you are right. Please note it down, everyone. Have you done? Okay. Now we will look out for some exceptions, very important exceptions only. Okay. Now please focus. मैं थोड़े बहुत exception discuss करूंगा. Then automatically you will get an idea how to deal with them. Look here. If I am talking about nitrogen and carbon, or you can say reverse the order. You can see carbon first, then nitrogen. Now please focus. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. नाउ प्लीज फोकस. जैसा हमने अभी क्या पढ़ा कि लेफ्ट टू राइट जाने पे इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी इंक्रीजेस. सो बेसिकली बाय द रूल nitrogen should have greater electron gain enthalpy, but this is not the case. I hope you got the reason here. Are you getting the reason? Here electron gain enthalpy of carbon is greater than nitrogen. I hope you got the reason, everyone. Because if you will enter one electron to this 2p2, it will become 2p3. That is stable one. So 2p2 needs electron, so it will gain electron very easily as compared to 2p3. I hope this is clear now. Okay, now next one that is very important case. याद रखना, अगर ये वाला केस आज नहीं समझा तो कभी नहीं समझेगा. Akshat Vora 2p3 will gain electron, but it is difficult to enter electron in 2p3. Now please focus next exception. Next one exception that is very important, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. The order should be top to bottom decreases, right? So order should be like this, but this order is actually fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. The order is like this. The reason is very interesting over here, so please focus. As we have seen in electronegativity, fluorine is the most electronegative atom. So please focus. This is fluorine, this is chlorine. Now I am entering electron, one electron to this, one electron to this. अब जरा देखो और बताओ मुझे कि fluorine is most electronegative. I agree. Fluorine is most electronegative. It will attract this electron very fast, very quickly, because fluorine is very electronegative. As compared to chlorine, chlorine will attract much lower as compared to fluorine. This is the reason. Correct explanation. Please focus. Fluorine will attract more quickly as compared to chlorine. Now tell me, here the case is about long-term relationship as well as short-term relationship. Please focus. The electron which is going to fluorine will stay for a shorter duration because here the space is not proper. यहाँ पे उतना space available नहीं है as compared to chlorine. More space is available. So here arrival of electron is of long term. In chlorine it is of long term. In fluorine it is of short term. So chlorine will give you more energy. Chlorine will give you more energy as compared to fluorine. Instead of fluorine is more electronegative than chlorine. Is this clear? Tell me. इतना clear है? जिसको भी डाउट है प्लीज रेज योर हैंड, एक एक करके रेज हैंड कर लो अपने, प्लीज रेज योर हैंड अगर डाउट है तो। यस तन्मय, टेल मी। तन्मय।
Hello, sir.
हाँ तन्मय, टेल मी।
So can you please explain again this?
Okay, I'm explaining again. Everyone, please focus. Actually, fluorine will attract electron more easily as compared to chlorine, but in fluorine it is short term, whereas in chlorine it is long term, because the space available in chlorine is greater than that of fluorine. You can see in the diagram. You can easily see where the space is more available. That is chlorine. So chlorine will release more energy as compared to fluorine. That's why chlorine has greater electron gain enthalpy as compared to fluorine. Very simple reason, that's it.
Means chlorine has more space, therefore energy release is also more.
Yes, right.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Dvit, tell me. Dvit,
Sir, I still didn't understand the fluorine and chlorine thing.
क्या हो गया?
Sir, I didn't understand.
Fluorine has lesser space, right? Hello? Dvit, can you hear me? Dvit, please raise your hand and answer my question. You will understand. Dvit. Yes, Dvit, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, be with me. Can you see here the space is not more available in fluorine case,
Yes, sir.
right? And in chlorine space is very large.
What, sir? I cannot hear you. I have network issues.
Then you have to refer lecture recording better. I can't do anything.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
Yes, Kushi, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
So is this exception of fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine only with this particular group or with all the elements of the second period?
No, only with this particular group because of the electronegativity reason, electronegativity difference.
Okay, fine.
All the group does not have such much large electronegativity. Are you getting? Okay.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Yes, Pranav, tell me.
Sure, so all halogens are an exception to this thing.
Yes, right.
Okay, sir.
Mostly fluorine and chlorine. Yes, Atharva, tell me.
Sir, so if we look at it that way, then won't bromine have more space than chlorine, or is it not that
बट
way?
ब्रोमीन की इलेक्ट्रॉन को अट्रैक्ट करने की टेंडेंसी तो उतने नहीं है ना, एज कंपेयर टू फ्लोरीन एंड क्लोरीन. हमने फॉन्कल देखा था, याद है? हेलो,
हाँ.
फॉन्कल, राइट?
Yes.
ओके. Yes, Akshat, tell me.
Excuse me, sir. I have a doubt that we are studying about ionization energy. So
No.
are
We are studying electron gain enthalpy.
Electron gain enthalpy. So we should actually check that which element can easily
Gain the electron.
gain an
Accept electron, right?
एक्सेप्टर ऑफ एन इलेक्ट्रॉन. तो उस हिसाब से तो फिर फ्लोरीन का सबसे ज्यादा होना चाहिए, क्योंकि फ्लोरीन
फ्लोरीन विल एक्सेप्ट. लेकिन समझ रहे हो, फ्लोरीन उसको ज्यादा टाइम के लिए, उसका घर उतना बड़ा नहीं है अक्षत.
Okay.
आर यू गेटिंग?
Yeah, sir, I'm getting it.
एक घर में 6 मेंबर
Actually,
को
I'm
कैसे
not getting
रखेंगे?
it. Sir, actually, I'm not getting it कि अपन वो space की why are we taking that space का criteria actually?
अच्छा देखो, किसी का एक BHK का फ्लैट है, ओके,
Yes,
और किसी का 3 BHK, तुम कहाँ जाना पसंद करोगे?
was 3 BHK.
Yes, I hope this is clear to you now.
Okay. 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 Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir.
Yes, Anvi, tell me.
Sir, but then shouldn't this be applicable to all the groups? But then we
No,
say
it is
that
not applicable to all, because all the group cannot attract the electron as fluorine and chlorine will do.
okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, Tanmay, right. If it is easier to put an electron, more energy will be released, right? Please note down this, everyone. Note kar lo ise, everyone, please. Please note it down. Okay. Okay, we have done electronegativity, right? We have already done electronegativity, electron gain enthalpy, ionization enthalpy, atomic size. Am I right? Okay. Now we are going to deal with metallic character. Metallic character. Actually, कोई भी एलिमेंट जितने अच्छे से इलेक्ट्रॉन को डोनेट कर सकता है उतना अच्छा मेटल होगा. वेरी सिंपल लॉजिक. एक एलिमेंट कितने अच्छे से इलेक्ट्रॉन को दे सकता है, that element will be more metallic. Very simple reason and trends in this you are already aware. I'm directly going for trend. Tell me top to bottom क्या होगा? Tell me everyone. Removal of electron will be more easier, right? Top to bottom removal of electron will be more easier, so it will increase. What about left to right? Left to right, it will decrease. Very good everyone. Now if I am talking about non-metallic character, exactly reverse of this. Non-metallic character trends top to bottom decreases, left to right increases. Please note it down. Note it down, everyone. Have you noted? Okay. Now next one is chemical reactivity. Chemical reactivity. Top to bottom. Left to right. In top to bottom, there would be two cases. For metals, it will increase. For non-metal, it will decrease. Now, please focus on reason. मेटल में जैसे अगर मैं Li केस की बात करता हूं, Li Na K, तो टॉप टू बॉटम आएंगे तो K से रिमूवल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इजी। और केमिकल रिएक्टिविटी डिपेंड करता है कि इलेक्ट्रॉन कितने अच्छे से रिमूव कर सकते हैं या तो कितने अच्छे से ले सकते हैं, दोनों पे डिपेंड करता है। इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट हियर फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, तो इन द केस ऑफ फ्लोरीन इलेक्ट्रॉन की एंट्री आसान है, राइट, इजियर। इसके लिए फ्लोरीन इज मोस्ट रिएक्टिव इन दिस केस। आई होप यू आर गेटिंग द रीजन। इलेक्ट्रॉन कितने अच्छे से दे सकते हैं या तो ले सकते हैं, दोनों फैक्टर पर डिपेंड करेगा केमिकल रिएक्टिविटी। इज दिस क्लियर? प्लीज टेल मी, इज द रीजन क्लियर? Yes, Dvit, it will depend on how the element can accept or donate electron. Yes, K will be more reactive. Okay, now focus on left to right. Left to right जैसे अगर मैं बात करूं, in this case when we are moving like this, so first reactivity decreases. First it decreases, then it increases. I hope you are getting the reason. पहले इलेक्ट्रॉन निकालना बहुत, इस केस से इलेक्ट्रॉन निकालना बहुत आसान है, उसके बाद इलेक्ट्रॉन निकालना डिफिकल्ट है, उसके बाद इलेक्ट्रॉन को गेन करना आसान है, because electronegativity is increasing then at the end. I hope you are getting the reason. Yes, Tanmay, tell me. Tanmay. Tanmay, please unmute yourself.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
So, I think chlorine should have more chemical reactivity, ना?
Yes,
क्योंकि
right.
उसका electron affinity भी more है ना, chlorine का.
हाँ, fluorine is reactive, right?
No, sir, chlorine.
No, chlorine you are not getting. Electron affinity or electron negativity, both are different things.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, Arpita, tell me.
Sir, I just wanted to ask that in this across the period of left to right, is there any specific period till which it will decrease and then start increasing? Any
Like
specific?
here in this case, you can say like silicon. After silicon, it will start increasing.
So no a
Silicon would be
particular
less
period.
reactive.
No
Hello?
particular period.
14th period, na? Silicon is in 14th period.
So for other like other groups also, it will be 14th
Yeah, it is
period
valid,
only.
valid. Yes, valid.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, Khushi, tell me.
So,
Yes.
so basically all metalloids are the least reactive in a particular period, right?
Yes, right. Very good.
Okay.
Is this clear to you, everyone now? Please note it down. Everyone, please note it down. Okay, very good. Now the last point of this chapter, that is anomalous behavior of second period element. Second period element. Okay. Now first I will show you some anomalous behavior. Then I will tell you the reason behind this. Look here. If I am talking about nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, this is second period element, nitrogen. So actually nitrogen की जो property है, that will differ from the other member of the group. Let me show you some example. Nitrogen cannot form NCl5, whereas phosphorus can form PCl5. Nitrogen shows hydrogen bonding. All these doesn't show hydrogen bonding. It is a gas. They are basically solids. Are you getting what I'm talking about? Second period element will have slightly different behavior from the rest of the element. So the reason behind this, please focus. The reason behind this, first one is small atomic size. Second one, high electronegativity. Third one, you can say non availability of d orbital. Next reason you can say tendency to form multiple bonds. Next you can say high charge by radius ratio. These are the factors responsible for anomalous behavior of second period element. Yes, it is valid only for second period element. It is valid only for second period element. Is there any doubt? Tell me. इस पॉइंट में किसी को कोई डाउट है और एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर? Yes, Akshay, tell me.
Sir, actually, I couldn't understand the point which you told. Small atomic size, high electronegativity, non-availability.
These are the reason for the anomalous behavior. इनके वजह से वो डिफरेंट बिहेवियर शो करता है.
नॉन अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ डी ऑर्बिटल्स में आएगा हाई चार्ज और रेडियस हाई चार्ज पर रेडियस रेशियो ना.
नहीं अवेलेबिलिटी मतलब सेकंड पीरियड एलिमेंट के पास डी ऑर्बिटल अवेलेबल नहीं है ना, क्योंकि सेकंड ग्रुप सेकंड सेल में तो केवल एस और पी होता है ना. एस पी सबसेल डी तो होता ही नहीं है.
और ये हाई चार्ज बाय रेडियस रेशियो क्या होता है सर?
उनका चार्ज और रेडियस का रेशियो बहुत ज्यादा है सेकंड पीरियड एलिमेंट का.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
Jayendra, actually radioactivity mostly depend on P by N ratio. Jayendra, radioactivity mostly depends on P by N ratio, not on charge by radius ratio. Yes, tell me.
Sir, what is hydrogen bonding?
What?
So what is this that you have written? Hydrogen.
Hydrogen bonding.
Sir, here next to NCl5.
Hydrogen bonding, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry, that is D. Should be D. Okay, let me correct it.
Okay.
This should be hydrogen bonding. Okay. Virok, is this clear? This is hydrogen bonding actually. यस खुशी, द चार्ज इज ऑफ न्यूक्लियस, न्यूक्लियस के अंदर जितने प्रोटॉन है दैट इज द टोटल चार्ज, द चार्ज इज टोटल चार्ज ऑन द न्यूक्लियस, नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स. Yes, Akshat, tell me.
Sir, actually, ये what is this PCl5?
PCl5 एक कंपाउंड है. एक्चुअली हम जो कल चैप्टर स्टार्ट करेंगे केमिकल बॉन्डिंग, उसमें डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे इसके बारे में.
और ये AS का भी कोई AS और Cl का बॉन्डिंग,
हाँ उनके भी होते हैं, राइट, उनके भी होते हैं. हम कल पढ़ेंगे केमिकल बॉन्डिंग में.
केमिकल बॉन्डिंग उनका भी होता है ना?
हाँ हाँ राइट.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
Okay, so finally periodic classification of element is over now. Periodic classification of element is over now. You can ask a doubt related to whole chapter or both of the chapter, like atomic structure or periodic classification of element. You can ask your doubts now. Yes, Tanmay, these are the factors which are responsible for the different behavior. In term 1, there are total 4 chapters. In term 1, there are total 4 chapters. Okay, wait. I am giving you some questions. You can try them. I am giving you some questions. Please try them. Last chapter of the term 1 is acid, base, and salts. Okay, now tell me which belongs to transition elements. Option A, 1A and 1B. Option B, 2B and 3B. Option C, 2A and 3B. Option D, 7th A. Please tell me the correct answer. Most of you are getting the correct answers. Some of you are also getting wrong answers. Very simple question. Yes, Atharva, tell me.
Yes, sir. I had a doubt. Could you please repeat why electron gain enthalpy from left to right increases?
Left to right.
Huh.
Size will decrease, na? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Atharva, size will decrease. So attraction from the nucleus will increase. So it will be easier to enter electron in the atom. So electron gain enthalpy will increase.
Sir, but if you go from left to right, then won't so the number of electrons will increase. So won't they repel the electron? So it will be difficult to put the electron in the atom.
But at the same time, Z effective is also increasing, na?
So it will cancel out the shield.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, most of you got the correct answer for this one. So for this one, correct is option B. Option B is correct. In the periodic table, this is the transition element. This is the transition element. So option B is correct. Anjali, Slater rule is a big concept. You have to refer lecture recording for that. Anjali, please refer lecture recording for Slater's rule. That is really a big concept. Now this one, Sonak, you didn't understand the chemical reactivity across group. Sorry, across, what you said? Across a period. Look Sonak, जब हम पीरियड में मूव करेंगे, like I have given you one example for that. Na, Mg, Al, Si, P, सल्फर, क्लोरीन, ऐसे जाने पे पहले तो इलेक्ट्रॉन निकालने की टेंडेंसी कम होगी, दैट्स व्हाई इट विल डिक्रीज. उसके बाद इलेक्ट्रॉन को लेने की टेंडेंसी बढ़ेगी बिकॉज इलेक्ट्रॉन नेगेटिविटी विल इंक्रीज, सो इट विल इंक्रीज. वेरी सिंपल. Sonak, is this clear now? Sonak, please tell me. Yes, Tanmay, tell me.
Sir, what is पिछले क्वेश्चन का आंसर क्या था?
बी.
सर पर डी होना चाहिए ना?
रुक जाओ जरा, एक मिनट. यहाँ देखो तन्मय.
हाँ सर.
तन्मय, This is the periodic table, right?
Yes.
Tanmay, can you hear?
Yes, sir.
1A, 2A, right?
Yes.
3A, 4A, 5th A, 6A, 7th A, 0, 1B, 2B, 3B, 4th B, 5th B, 6th B, 7th B, and then 8. Is this clear now?
Yes, sir.
And they are transition element.
Yes, D block, na?
Yes.
Okay.
अभी clear है?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now solve one more. That is actinides belongs to. I'm writing group and period. Option A, group 3, period 7. Option B, group 3, period 6. Option C, group 4, period 5. Option D, group 3, period 5. Tell me, which one is correct? Yes, you all are getting correct answer. You all are getting correct answer. Very good. Yes, A is the correct answer for this one. Correct answer is option A. Nishant, that were not placed, that were according to the Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev periodic table में जो अरेंजमेंट थी उसको हमने मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल के साथ मैच किया तो वैसा हमें अरेंजमेंट मिल गया. You can ask your doubts now. Tomorrow we will start with chemical bonding, so please be present. You can ask your doubts. Tomorrow we will start with chemical bonding, very important concept and chapter. Yes, Tanmay, tell me. Yes, Abhinav, tell me.
Sir, what is the name given to the second group element, sir?
Second group element.
Sir.
Alkaline earth metal, na?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Please ask your doubts now. Ananya, the question on hydrogen spectrum will be like a number of spectral line calculations as well as the formula of Rydberg's constant. That question can be asked. Okay, Arpita, no issue. Group 1 is known as alkali metal, group 2 is known as alkaline earth metal. अथर्व इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन के ऊपर तो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन बन सकते हैं. Like we have done magnetic property, there can be also related to electronic configuration. Observed expected electronic configuration, number of unpaired electron, paired electron. So many questions can be asked on the basis of electronic configuration. Atharva. Please ask your doubts. Have you played the chapter of chemical bonding step up? स्टेप अप पे गेम प्ले किया क्या केमिकल बॉन्डिंग का? Yes, Tanmay, that thing will be there in chemical bonding, but we are going to deal in very detail. Any doubt in both the chapters, atomic structure and periodic classification? You can ask. Yes, Bhavish, I think you have a doubt in atomic structure. Please tell me. Bhavish. Hello. Please tell me your doubts. No, Atharva, you have to follow the rules for that. You have to follow the rules, Atharva. Sonak Patil, TWT is on 11th of June. Sonak, TWT is on 11th June. Yes, Ahan, what you are asking? Ahan, what you are asking? Ehtesam, they all are already posted. Please search in the group. They are all are already posted. You can search in the group, Ehtesam. Ehtesam, there is no need to delete FB group chats. They are very important. Please message me in personal, Ehtesam. Please message me in personal chat. And no need to delete FB chats. They are really very important. Yes, Atharva, you can do. No issue. You can do. Atharva, you can do. Okay, tomorrow we will start with chemical bonding. So please be present. Very important lecture. We will discuss many important things tomorrow, chemical bonding. So please be present. I hope there is no doubt to anyone now. Atharva, please check your group. Atharva, please check your group. Okay, bye everyone. Take care. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow, please join on time. Yes, Tanmay, tell me.
So tomorrow's lecture is at 9 p.m. na?
9 a.m.
Oh, sorry, 9 a.m. Okay. Thank you, sir.